guys, it's your girl Dioradoree, and I'm back with another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be an unboxing video. I got some stuff from Hustlers. It's a sex store, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff that I got. Okay, to start off first, I got this little thong and bra candy set. It's candy, it's gummy bears. It's a gummy bear thong and bra. I thought it was cute. How much did this cost? This was $14.99. And I thought that was a good price because it came with the bra and the panties instead of selling it separately, right? They had some that was sold separately. So, and I got this heart confetti dildo. Got hearts on them. Ooh. Wait. This was $40. I should take it out the box. This is 6 inches, but it's pretty big. It's a nice size or whatever. It's not too big. They have some that are smaller too. So I got this set. It comes with the bottom piece, the panties, and then it has like stars that goes on the breasts, so you can cover them up. I thought it was so cute. Like, that's me. Wait, my nail. But yeah, I thought that was mad pretty. Like, this is cute. I paid $40 for both of these together. They had some that were sold separately. These was like $18 sold by themselves or whatever. I thought that was a good deal for $40 to get the panties and the stickers, pasties. So yeah, I thought that was cute. And I got a thigh ribbon. It goes on your thigh. This was $4. This was probably the cheapest thing they had in there, child, because that shit was expensive in there. And I got this little sippy cup. I thought it was cute, funny. I got it in pink. They had purple, white, rainbow colors, black. This was $12.99. You can fill it up with some juice, the liquor. You never want to fill it up. Play with your mama. But yeah. And last but not least, I got a little butt plug. This is the smallest one that they have, the smallest size. I'm giving y'all my tea, but yeah, this was $12. It has a pink little rhinestone. I had seen they had new ones, the little light up butt plugs. I thought it was cute, but I didn't like the ones they had. So I will be wearing this and trying this on, taking pictures in it. And that would be the ending of this unboxing video. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one.